On the top of your spine, okay. There's just like a little bit of a curvature here in your lumbar spine. Has anyone ever told you that before?
No. Well, actually, there's a scar.
Welcome to Chiro World. We upload a variety of chiropractic adjustment videos to educate our viewers on the health benefits of chiropractic care. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.
I painted on Bourbon Street in front of my boss.
I mean, you can see that too, right? Do you see that curvature there?
Yeah.
Okay, now sit up nice and straight. We're going to check for scoliosis in a second here. I'm going to feel my fingertips on the back of your hamstrings, okay? All right, so I'm going to slide up to the glute folds. We're slightly lower on the right versus on the left. Looking from the top view, they're even, maybe slightly external rotate. Lower, so possible PIEX on the right. Okay, go ahead and march in place. Okay, high knees as high as you can go. Okay, so the right one is dipping backwards, so that's indicative of a PI. Okay, you can stop. Bend forward and touch your toes. Okay, gotta stand back up. So when you're standing, this curvature is not really there at all. Good. You put your arm down, I'm gonna hold it. Tender? Tender? Okay, let your shoulders relax. Nice and gentle breathing in through your nose and out. Go, let your shoulders sink in. I'm going to follow it down. Gentle, gentle.
I feel good. I feel like I just finally got a breath of like air.
Okay, good start. We're going to come up 2 segments here. Another breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. Good, sinking in, gentle.
I feel so good. I literally feel like I've just, my body has exploded and I'm starting to feel my body again. That's so weird.
This is a little bit different of adjustment. You're going to breathe all the way in, and then when you get to the top of the breath, that's when we'll push in, okay? Okay, so deep breath in, far in as you can go, all the way in. Good. And out, let your shoulders relax as you breathe out. Good. Nice. This is going to be very gentle. So breathing in, good, and out. Good, sinking in.
Oh, that felt the best. Oh, I feel like Why did I wait so long to come here? Oh, that felt so good.
Relax your back. Left. Down. Relax your back. Right. Okay, down. Okay, good. One more time. Let's bring this to here. Good. Shoulders relaxed. Breathing in. Out. Good. Let the shoulders come down just a little bit. Good. Relax here. Good. Lay on your back.
I feel wiggly.
Good. Another breath in and out. Go. Let the shoulders come up like this. Good. Hold on. There's more. Let the hips relax. Lay on your back.
Oh.
Okay, let's do this. Turn your head to the right. Okay, back to center. Okay, turn your head to the left. Back to center. One more time to the left. Center. Okay, bring your right ear to your right shoulder. Good, center. Left ear to left shoulder. Okay, nice and gentle breathing, just feeling yourself sink in, letting go. Good. Breathe. Good. Okay, push your knees out. Push, 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 push. Relax. Okay, now hold your knees together. Hold your knees together. As hard as you can, hold them together. Good, hold them together. Don't let me pull it. Hold, hold.
Oh.
Good. Did you feel that? Did you feel that in your pubic bone?
A little bit right there.
Okay, the next is the pyloric sphincter, 2 inches above the umbilical. Tender.
A little.
Now, I want you to breathe in, but breathe into your belly. Like, fill your belly up with air. Good. Out. Okay, do the same thing. Fill your belly up with air. Out. Belly. Nope. Do you feel how your chest is rising there? Just make your belly. There you go. Out. Again. Out.
Oh, wow.
Until next time, take care and stay healthy.